What's up, guys? Today we are checking out the RotoGrip RST HYPERDRIVE Microtrack Solid Cover RST AI Core. We're looking at an aggressive asymmetric piece that will typically be used on medium to heavier volume patterns. I'm expecting this ball to hook quite a bit overall. The strong cover is going to help it pick up early, and the core is going to give it a good change of direction down lane to continue through the pins. I'm drilling this ball, pin in the ring. Let's check it out. As always, on lane 1, we have out a shorter medium pattern. Now this is the same pattern that I always put out on this lane, so you can see right from the start how much this ball is hooking when I try to play the slot where I normally play. So it's going to force me to move in further left. Because it's a strong ball, I don't necessarily have to be super steep to the gutter, but I notice that the ones that I feed out to the right recover, and the ones that I get more up the lane are the ones that go high. This ball is very early and continuous. I was expecting it to be a little more smooth shape that you would get from a big, strong asymmetric, but this RST definitely has more of a quicker change of direction down lane for me. I really like the shape of this ball, but if I were to try to use it for score on this particular pattern, I'd probably alter the surface a little bit to match up better with my speed and rev rate and how I like to play the lanes. I'm thinking a good amount of surface with some polish over it would look really good on this piece. This is a surface trick that has helped me a ton in being able to use the power of a stronger ball on these shorter or less volume patterns. This way, I'm able to stay a little bit further right and straighter. As you can see, I've started moving further right for a few shots here, and you can see that it's hooking super early and how much smoother it is down lane. On the flip side, when I move in a bunch and try to loop it more, it still reads the lane really well, which tells me that this could be a very versatile piece. And I'm expecting it to look even better over on lane 2 with some more oil, so let's hop over there and check it out. Over on lane 2, we have a longer medium pattern with some more volume out there. This is a fresh pattern, so we're going to start with some straighter angles, but this ball has no problem reading the lane and keeping that super continuous motion down lane and driving through the pins really well. Just as I expected, this ball looks really good with some more oil. This allows the ball to do what it's made to do, read through the heavy volume, store its energy down lane, and drive through the pins. I feel like I have a good little slot here where if I get it out too wide, it has some recovery, but if I get it up the lane, it blends the mid lane and stays on line pretty well. I definitely see transition pretty fast as it burns up a spot, and we're just going to move in a little bit and see how this ball continues to go through the pins as I change my angles. I definitely find it goes through the pins best on the ones I keep up the lane in front of me, but it's always good to have a piece that gives you a little bit of miss room. If you're looking for a strong ball that's going to see the lane and keep driving down lane, this is the perfect option. Be sure to check it out at a pro shop near you on March 7th.